Hi, we are here today in our naturally green farm. I will show you different levels on how we make Cocopeat and how much time it takes to make low EC Cocopeat. This is level 1. This goes into different stages. This is the newly crushed and dehusked cocoa fiber, which is relatively dry compared to the final form of Cocopeat. We leave it in open ground for drying. These are the stages of the Cocopeat, making over time 3 months, 6 months, 8 months, and 1 year. So this is level 1. After 1 month we shift it here, give a lot of water and moisture content is maintained. After every month we keep shifting it to different levels. So it takes a minimum of 1 year for a good quality Cocopeat. As you come around and walk around, I will show you the final form. Here in my farm I have tamarind trees, and as livestock I have a calf. The entire property comes in under 1 acre. So this is after 3 months of drying it. I won't be able to go there, so I will show you next time. Every level we keep shifting it to the later stages. To maintain moisture we have run drip irrigation pipes on top of the heaps. Everywhere I have done drip irrigation, in order to compensate for the water loss while processing of the Cocopeat. The more it dries under the sunlight, more it becomes low EC. Basically the cocoa husk has high EC. From high EC we have to bring it to low EC. So the more we dry it, better is the quality. This is the second level. After 6 months we have shifted again from here to here. That right there is the automatic sieve, which is used to remove the larger contaminant in the Cocopeat. So we're here near the final processing. I will not be giving all of the technical details, just the basics. From the point of view of how the Cocopeat is made on a macro level. This the newly installed unit. It comprises firstly of the bucket or hoarder where Cocopeat is dumped in its raw form. It is stored and later loaded onto the processor. This is the entire machine. A conveyor belt runs along, joining the hoarding bucket with the processing machine. We are currently running the test samples, which we call a screening test, which involves segregation of large fiber strands which are not desirable in plant-based Cocopeat usage. It isn't recommended in any stage of plant growth, either the seedling or sapling stages. It is recommended to use Fibre in orchids as their roots need those conditions for its proper growth. The two basic things that happen in the machine is the removal of waste and larger strands from the pure Cocopeat mix. Here is the final Cocopeat after segregation. This final form is low EC Cocopeat, which is used for plants, as it's low on pH. We add Pseudomonas and Trichoderma enriched microbial mixes to hasten the growth of plants. This is the second conveyor belt, which removes the long strands from the Cocopeat mix.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for further notification of our videos.